Been looking at the KRIPTO coin, having a total supply of 1 million coins. 1 million coins. It's amazing in network marketing. It is ERC20, built on ERC20 blockchain technology. It's going to be available at $1, $1 per coin. It will first be available for affiliates before it hits on other exchanges. That is the most amazing thing. You have an opportunity to jump in and buy the price when the price of the coin is still low before the price goes higher, meaning you have an opportunity to buy low and sell high and make absolute profits. That is another amazing opportunity. Before you even look at the compensation plan, just look at the news surrounding this amazing opportunity. The market has changed. We have seen in the previous days, we've seen so many businesses come and go. They've been giving us sweet profits, 4%, 4.5%, 5% on your investment. Yes, it is a good return on investment, but the question is it sustainable? For how long can you really work for that? Can it take 2 months? Can it take 3 months when you're still making that 4%? The market has totally changed. Now with Crypto Future, is not promising you a fixed return on investment. It is promising you that we can give you according to what we earn, but up to 3%. Quote me right, up to 3%. Let's draw an example. In the previous days, the crypto market was bleeding. All coins were in red. We lost almost 60–70% of our portfolio values. These companies are also trading cryptocurrency. Where do they trade? Which markets do they trade in to give us those profits, even in the bad market, in the bad days? A fixed percentage, meaning with a fixed percentage, you cannot attain it in certain markets, in certain periods of trials and tribulations in the market. But with the concept giving us up to 3%, I think it is a kind of sustainable. This project is going to last for some good time before they close the MLM part, because I'm sure they say they'll close MLM after 2 to 3 years. They'll close MLM and focus on services they're providing. That was in the last Zoom meeting we had with the master distributors. They're going to close MLM. So if you're still there looking at this concept and studying it, also keep in mind that the MLM opportunity will come to an end at the end of the day. And then the company focuses on providing services, the KRIPTO coin, the crypto card, the no-code wallet, and so many other amazing opportunities surrounding it. But the question is, did you get to hear about this in the right time? And what did you do about it? This is the mighty crypto future. You can make your research, do your due diligence about this concept. Some of the faces you're seeing on this Zoom meeting hardly promote businesses that don't last. I know so many here that don't promote businesses that are not sustainable. We don't put our faces in front of a business that is going to close in the short period of time, that is not going to give us profits, it's not going to make people rich, it's not going to change people's lives. And Crypto Future is the business that we have chosen today. Major reason, sustainable, not giving us fixed returns, because we know markets change. In the bad market, if things are bad, companies are forced to pay you on your investment, on your downlines investments, to make sure that they take that percentage they promised you. In the next few days, they shut down. Oops, the server is not available. The website is gone. Because they promised what is hard. With Crypto Future, they share with us whatever they make from today's trading, from a day's trading. If the company makes 3%, they'll give us up to 3%. If it is 2%, they'll pay you 2% on your investment. And don't forget, we have packages on every budget. Number 2, why did we choose Crypto Future? Number 3, actually. We talked about the product. We talked about sustainability, not having a fixed return on investment. Now we are looking at number 3. Companies have been facing challenges, withdrawal challenges. You find someone withdrawing $10 and the company is incurring over $23 to transfer your money. Meaning, where do they get this extra $23 when they're, even if they're charging you 10% on withdrawal? Where do they get this extra $23 to take care of the withdrawal charges? Because someone is withdrawing $20, $10, and you are incurring $20 to send $10, the truth is the company has to close. Yes, Coach Henry, thank you very much for joining us tonight. Yeah, so that is very awesome. So we have a lot of amazing people here who understand the sustainability of the business and why we chose to work with this concept. Without wasting any time, let me share the PDF. I've talked about the core points, but allow me now to talk about the principles of the business. Now, I'll not be much into the wording part. The company, we have seen the video, institutional videos. I know when by the time you are here, you have already seen a video of our offices in Dubai, offices in Liverpool, London, and you already know that Jeffer Ribera, the co-founder of this crypto future business, is already in Dubai at the marketing strategy offices, setting up for a mega presentation, mega business launch come June. So we are going to be in June in Dubai. I expect to be there during the launch of this business. God willing, I must be there to be part of this amazing opportunity. So if you would like to also be part of this, please, it is not too late. Just key in the business, understand how the concept works, and you have an opportunity to be there in Dubai and also be among the people who are going to be launching this amazing opportunity that is going to transform lives around the world. So Rand Wright is the director of technology, and Tommy Lewis is the CEO of this business, and Jeffer Ribera is a young Spanish entrepreneur who has been traveling the world, dealing in cryptocurrencies, collecting Bitcoins, and since 2017 has been collecting Bitcoins. And if you get to see his interview with Renat and Maxim on their YouTube channel, you will understand the knowledge he has in blockchain technology and how they came up with KRIPTO coin and the use case of a KRIPTO coin. Most important thing when it comes to cryptocurrency and these coins, it is the use case. If a coin does not have any use case, it is very hard to push. No, now the question should be, what is going to be the purpose of this coin? What use case does it really have? We shall look at that also in the next video. So you have seen Jeffer Ribera. If you want to know more about Jeffer Ribera, you can go look at his Instagram. Has a lot of followers following him. Every now and then, numbers of people following Jeffer Ribera are increasing because of his crypto knowledge and how he has placed himself in the blockchain technology and other markets. So where does the company make money from? The company is investing in sports trading and is also investing in electric cars at the same time in artificial intelligence. So let's go and look at this business plan, and we see, because our major objective here is to learn how to make money. Earlier on, I already told you that the company pays up to 3%. It does not pay 3%. Quote me right. It pays up to 3%. Meaning it can pay between 1% and 3%. It can pay between 1% and 3%. On average, monthly, it can be up to 40%, depending on what it makes. That's what it pays us. It never promises something it cannot sustain. That's why we chose to work with a business that does not guarantee a fixed, because we understand fixed percentages are unattainable in markets that are changing every now and then, in markets that are volatile. So that is one of the points that you should take note of. So what happens here? You can purchase a package with Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Dogecoin and become a member. We shall look at those packages. But now one thing that you should not leave here is the minimum you can withdraw is $50 Monday to Friday. I already talked about the reason why we chose a business that at least has a minimum withdrawal $50. Why did we do that? Because companies that have businesses that have plans, have plans that are withdrawing in less than $50 have failed to make it when prices of Bitcoins are going higher, because they incur a lot of charges to transfer money. Just look at a scenario where someone is withdrawing $10 and you have to spend $25 to send $10. It is not ethical. It is not making sense at all. So we chose something that at least can be sustainable, instead of a company using investors' money to take care of their withdrawal charges and they shut down in the next few days. We chose a company that at least understands that it is really ethical to have a minimum withdrawal of $50 to have at least a company move for quite some good period of time before they go into other services as they promised us. So that is also very important. Remember, when you invest with KRIPTO Future, you receive up to 200 business days. For those who are not, who you would like to earn passive income, you don't need to recruit anyone in the business. You just have to put your investment, enter with any amount you feel like you're comfortable with in this concept, and you make up to 300%, meaning you triple your investment. You triple your investment. 10,000 US dollars, your contract expires when you earn 30,000 US dollars. You either renew it, upgrade, or quit the business. It's your choice. It is your choice. And the payments for all commissions are done Monday to Friday, closing time, midnight Liverpool time. Liverpool, UK time. Okay. So now, when someone upgrades, you receive the proportional of the daily. Upgrades receive the proportional of to the daily earning. Meaning, if you upgrade your package from $100 to $300, you make sure that your daily earnings also increase. The percentage the company gives you also increases. What does it mean? The bigger the package you have in the business, the more bonuses you fetch as there are returns on investment whenever the company pays you every working day, Monday to Friday. So let's also look at this. I said we have packages on every budget. We call them bots. We have bot 1 up to bot 12. From bot 1, bot 1 is just $50. And one more important thing here to see is that every package here is equivalent. Every point here or every package has points that are equivalent to $1 each point. So $50 give you 50 points. We shall look at that. How is it powerful when you're building a team? When you're building a team, we're building a network. You want to jump into ranks. You want to qualify and go to Dubai, go to this trip, get these incentives, get paid in Bitcoin, and cash from the company for being outstanding leader, because we can do this together. It's not a one-man show. When I give you a spillover from you, apply and you get something from your, it's a joint effort. Those points are cumulative. And the most important thing here, each point is $1. So if you register with $50, you get 50 points, $100, you get 100 points, $300, 300 points, and something like that, up to $100,000. So those are the packages we have. We already saw that this contract expires once you make 300% of your investment. Therefore, if someone registers with 20,000 US dollars, the contract will expire once they have made 60,000 US dollars. Amazing and powerful, very amazing and powerful. So now let's go look at this. The company already said, we already saw that it pays us up to 3% on every package you have seen here. We are paid up to 3%, not 3%. Don't confuse these things. Not 3%. We are paid up to 3%. So you should also take good note of that. Now we are going to look at the indication bonuses. Now this is very powerful. The company is paying us 6% whenever you refer someone in the business. Talk about the concept. Yes, this is a new business. If you missed out on amazing opportunities that have been sustainable, have been generating residual income, generational income to people who have participated in, this is also another opportunity that will give you that chance. Bring someone in business, show them how they can also make money by investing in KRIPTO Future, and they get returns on their investment every Monday to Friday. You'll earn a 6% as direct referral from your affiliate, from the person you have directly sponsored in the business. Are we together? You also receive direct referral bonus every time your referral upgrades or renews the package. Very powerful. Someone you bring in the business, if for example, they want to upgrade from $500 to $1,000, you already earned 6% on $500. That means you'll have another 6% whenever they upgrade to another package by paying the difference between the two packages, which is very, very powerful. And whenever they renew, their contract expires. This person is building a network and the team is growing. They are are renewing their contract every after a week, every after days, depending on how powerful and aggressive they are. What does it really mean? It means you're going to have that bonus, like a referral bonus, coming up and again and again, again and again, whenever they renew their contract. Very, very powerful at the same time. So let's look at the binary, another way of making high money here. We have a binary bonus. This binary bonus pays 8%. Now, we are going to go back to the points we saw. We saw these points on every package. So this 8% will be calculated on cumulative values of the packages that are signed in the network. Remember, to qualify for binary, you need two people on the left and the right side to be binary active, and then you start accumulating points on those on your account. So now let's go look at how this binary is calculated, or how we've already seen how we get those points. For example, 8% is given on a small team. So to qualify for this bonus, simply activate each side of the package directly to just activate your binary by registering someone left and right, like the way you're seeing in this example, right, and this is the left side. And when these people also register with someone, let's assume 5,000 points or $500, you have 500 points. And if they register someone here with $2,000, you have 2,000 points, because every package has corresponding points and each point is a dollar. Meaning you bring someone of 10,000, you get 10,000 points. Simple. And then the calculation that we shall be having of this binary is based on the small network or the small team or points on the small leg. So therefore, in this case, we have already seen, for example, the right team has the lowest score, totaling 6,000 points, generating a binary of $480 that is paid to you, and you can withdraw it anytime you want. So that is very powerful. Another way of making money out of this concept. Now, this is the most amazing thing that intrigued me to join this business, is the residual income. If you have been in these businesses before, I know you understand what I'm talking about. Residual income is very powerful, and this is very powerful with Crypto Future. Imagine, just take a scenario. If you understand the power of residual income, I'm pretty sure you will understand that it can make you rich. It can take you from deep waters, and then it raises you to the next level of success. Let's look at this. You'll understand how powerful it is. If you're not interested in this, you pick interest as soon as possible, because it is a game changer. It is a game changer. So now let's look at this residual income, where the company pays up to 15% of your team's daily, divided into 10 levels. Daily is daily. We're talking about daily income. Are we together? So from the first to third generation, from first to third level, the company pays a 2% from first level, second level 2%, and the third level 2%. Now we're going to go back to this example of a binary to make it clear to everyone here tonight. We assume this is you, person A here, and you have registered person B in this business. So this person B invests $1,000. After you have earned off your referral bonuses, now you qualify to earn residual income that is going to last as long as they are earning Monday to Friday on their daily returns on investment. Meaning, if someone invests $1,000 here, and a day is paid, let's say $10, you as the person who referred them in business, you'll earn 2% of $10. Very powerful, very powerful. So if the next day they are paid $15, you'll earn 2% of $15. That is first generation. If they also referred someone on their second generation, which is the first generation, which is your second generation, you are entitled to earn 2% on whatever on the second generation of all their daily earnings. Let's assume this person also invests $10,000. You will earn 2% of $10,000 of whatever they are earning on daily basis. Let's say it's $1,000 out of their $10,000. You'll be earning 2% of $1,000 up to third generation, no strings attached. Now, that is very exciting. Let's go back and see what does it take to also earn from the fourth generation. No strings attached from level 1 up to level 3. But when it comes to level 4, you earn 1.5%. You must be a ruby. Now let's go back and see what does it make to become a Ruby. When you have 40,000 points on the weak leg, you earn $1,500 from the company that is paid to you in Bitcoins. And on top of that, the company unlocks your 4th generation of your network and you earn 1.5%. You earn 1.5% on the 4th generation of your entire network. Very powerful, very powerful. Now, if you also go ahead and achieve more ranks, you unlock the 5th level, 1.5%. You become Emerald by having 200,000 points on the weak leg. Brothers and sisters watching me, to unlock the 4th generation is as easy as eating pie. Now, we said to unlock the 4th generation, you need 40,000 points on the weak leg. Let's see if it is achievable to have 40,000 points on the weak leg. We already said that, you saw that earlier, that having a package of 10,000 invested in the business or registered in the business gives you 10,000 points. Isn't it really doable? Isn't it really achievable? That means this company has come to let people become successful. The companies that design compensation plans and they never allow you qualify on career plan, they never allow you achieve ranks, go ahead on top of the business. But the more you go higher, the more you achieve ranks, the more you change lives in your network. The more people also look at you, they see as an example. They also want to achieve and go on those ranks. So with Crypto Future, achieving ranks, it is very easy. Yesterday, I have a friend of mine in Angola, became Emerald, and he was paid $2,500. And at the same time, after receiving $2,500, he unlocked his 5th level and is now earning 1.5 on the 5th generation of his network. Very powerful, very powerful. So if you want to unlock the 6th generation, the points keep on accumulating. You just refer to the PDF here. After the 10th generation, we have people who are double diamonds already. I have someone I know who already made 1 million points on the weak leg and already won $25,000 and has already unlocked the 7th level of his entire network, earning daily income from their entire network. Very powerful. I think this is why have I spent a lot of time on residual income? Brothers and sisters, once you test this, you run crazy. It is very powerful. Even if you refer one person in the business and they know what to do, they understand the business, they refer others in business, you keep earning from whoever they bring in business on their daily returns on investment. Very powerful. You never know who they will sponsor. You never know if it is $10,000, $100,000 in business. Imagine you are on $100 package and your downline sponsors someone at $100,000 and your 2% of their daily income makes your package seal every day, makes your package renewable every day. Very powerful. Okay, so thank you very much. Thank you very much for your time. Let's continue and look at the career plan. We have this amazing career plan. I've already explained part of the career plan in the table above. So if you become a diamond, you qualify by having 500,000 points on the weak leg, you get $5,000 that is paid to you in Bitcoin, or you can get a Rolex watch if you're part to have a watch. So thank you very much. Enoch, thank you very much. I can see you're already crazy over the residual income, brother. Thank you. I know you're already enjoying it already. So the company is available already. Yes, we have a team in Kenya. Companies is spreading like wildfire, brothers and sisters watching me. If I'm not jumped into this, this is a project that you'll jump into, even if it comes to August, September, or October. You must at least get to know about it, or your grandfather or your grandsister will introduce you into this concept, because the marketing strategy they're having, the forces behind this concept are phenomenal. So You have seen how you qualify on the career plan, and now you're looking at, if you become a double diamond, you 1 million points, you get $25,000. I have I have a friend of mine who already achieved this in the system. Remember, this business is barely a month old. We are making a month. It was launched in on 6th, pre-launched. Actually, it has not fully launched. Pre-launched on 6th of April, and we are making a month. I think it was launched this month, actually. It's on 6th, and we are making a month next month. I'm confusing the two things. Sorry about that. It was launched this month on 6th, and we are making a month. We are making a month, I think, on 6th next month. So you have seen this. Now let's go look at the guidelines on what are the rules of this. Most of you have questions. How do we withdraw the money? How do we qualify for this and that and that? Monday to Friday. The company pays your returns on your investment Monday to Friday. Returns on your investment Monday to Friday. And you receive your, if you want to make a withdrawal, you receive it within 24 to 48 hours. Maximum is 48 hours. And the minimum withdrawal from your back office is just $50. There is no limit on how much on the maximum you can withdraw from the back office. And then the maximum daily limit is the plan. The daily limit is the plan that you have chosen. That is the capping from the binary. So that is the plan you have to. If you want to earn more than that, $100, for example, your team is moving, is growing bigger, I recommend you at least go to you keep upgrading so that your binaries are not flashed out. You don't miss out on that. It happened to me when I started with a smaller package. I had to upgrade. I woke up when my team had grown bigger, and then I earned less than what I was supposed to earn because the package was smaller. That is one piece of advice. If you don't want to miss out on the binaries, make sure that you upgrade, and then be calculative whenever your network is growing. At least also upgrade with your network. You move together with your network. So to qualify for binary, you must activate at least one person on each side of your network, and then upgrade, you must pay the difference between the value of the chosen plan. So you can renew your plan after you have completed the 300%. For example, you invest $100. When you make 300%, meaning $300, that's when you have to renew your package. And then the other thing that I should be talking about is the withdrawal charges. The company charges, if you're withdrawing every day, it charges 10% as a withdrawal charge on whatever amount you're withdrawing. And if you're withdrawing once a week, it is 7%. For those withdrawing once a month, it is 3%. And guess what? Once the crypto coin is out, for the withdrawal charge, for those who will be holding the KRIPTO coin, the withdrawal charge will be waived off. You'll not be paying any charge, withdrawal charge. You'll not be charged anything upon withdrawals. And the most amazing thing about this concept, if you want to jump in, you can use Litecoin, you can use Dogecoin, and you can use Bitcoin. So gone are the days where the prices of Bitcoins are you fear to purchase Bitcoins because the price is going down. By the time you enter your downline in the system, the money they have sent to you you have already lost value of it. So we don't have those things here. You just choose a currency that you're comfortable dealing with, and you must definitely be part of the winners. So Enoch, I'll most definitely share the Zoom meeting as soon as we are done with this, so that you can also have others watch it again. So that is the most important thing. I didn't want to go into all the videos. You already have already seen the videos. We already have the professional operating license in Dubai, and we also have license operating in other places like Liverpool and London. And we also have a great team behind this concept that is working 24/7. The support is amazing. If you've had any issues regarding what we have covered tonight, please, you can bring them forward as we're coming to the end of this Zoom meeting. I'll be sharing the recorded version for those who are interested in learning more or sharing with your team. Please make sure that you keep in touch. I'll be sharing the link to this one of my YouTube channels, Don Crypto channel. You'll be finding it there, and we shall be continuing from there next time. If you have questions, please bring them forward. If not, I'll be seeing you next time in the next Zoom meeting. And if those who are here for the very first time, please get back to the person who invited you here so that you can grab an opportunity. You can learn how to also make money out of this amazing concept. We're already changing lives. You're already changing people's lives. That is the truth. People's lives have changed in no time. Offices are opening up in Kenya, Angola. I saw another office in Brazil coming up. So around the world, this is spreading like wildfire. I think it's going to be amazing. It's going to be a great concept. It's going to change people's lives, and it's going to stay for some good time before they scrap off the MLM opportunity. So thank you very much. I think if you don't have questions, please allow me come to the end of this meeting. But before I do that, allow me get to my brother Enoch here. If you have a few words, give us your experience. What have you learned out of this concept for the time you have been with us, please, Enoch? Let me get to Enoch. Enoch, if you're there, please let us know your experience for the short time you have been in business. What do you have to say about this concept? Yes, brother Enoch, I can hear you.
Yeah. Hello, good evening from Ghana.
Good evening, great leader. How are you?
Hello, can you hear me, please?
Yes, you are loud and clear. We can hear you very well.
Sure. I'm Enoch, and like I said, I'm from Ghana. I got introduced to this opportunity that was just past Monday, and I just hooked onto the opportunity because of the compensation plan of the company. And this evening, I have not regretted at all for joining the Zoom meeting, because I am super motivated with the residual income aspect of the business. In fact, I am super motivated, and I'm going to take this to the next level. Once again, I want to encourage everyone who is on this call that this is the time. This is the time. If there is any future anywhere, this is the time. And I'm praying that we'll all see the opportunity as I'm seeing. I'm seeing an amazing and a crazy future in this business. Let us all together introduce this, hold on to this opportunity, and then introduce others who are also out there looking for such an opportunity like this. And I know that in some few months to come, we will never regret for joining this business. Thank you for the opportunity to share my thoughts.
Yeah, thank you very much, brother. Thank you very much. That is Enoch from Ghana, is really doing this massive. Yes. If there's anyone else who would like to have a few words, add a few words, please, you can, by show of hands, you can let me know before you come to the end of this. If there's no, please get back to the person who invited you here and let them know what you like about the concept, and we shall be helpful. We shall take you to the next level of success. Seems there's no question. Please allow me wish you a fantastic night. See you in the next Zoom meeting. We shall be communicating when we shall be having another one. Allow me get to work on this so that we can upload it for those who have missed it out and they catch us from that side. God bless you. I love you all. Don't crypto. Bye-bye. Good night.